Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm excited to dive deep into a topic that's becoming increasingly relevant in our interconnected world: dual citizenship. As we navigate through 2025, more people than ever are exploring the possibilities of holding multiple passports. And today, I'm going to break down everything you need to know. Would you believe that over 200 million people worldwide now hold dual citizenship? That's a staggering 40% increase from just a decade ago. Whether you're looking to expand your business horizons, secure better opportunities for your family, or simply want more freedom to travel, this guide is for you. Let me share something personal. Last year, I helped my friend Miranda navigate her journey to dual citizenship. Thanks to her Italian heritage, she now enjoys the benefits of both U.S. and EU citizenship. She's running her business from Milan while maintaining strong ties to her hometown in Boston. Pretty amazing, right? Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Isn't having two passports illegal? Or maybe you might be thinking, isn't it just for the ultra wealthy? Well, I'm here to bust these myths and show you exactly how dual citizenship could be within your reach. Let's start by understanding dual citizenship. Let's start with the basics. Dual citizenship, also known as dual nationality, means being a citizen of two countries simultaneously. Each country has its own citizenship laws, and these laws determine whether they recognize dual citizenship. Legal framework. In 2025, we're seeing more countries than ever embracing dual citizenship. Notable examples include the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and most European Union countries. However, some nations like Singapore, China, and Japan still generally restrict dual citizenship. However, the landscape is constantly evolving. Just this year, several countries have updated their policies. For instance, Germany has relaxed its restrictions on dual citizenship for non-EU citizens, opening new opportunities for many. So, what are the benefits of dual citizenship? Let me walk you through the major advantages that come with holding two passports. First and foremost, there's the incredible benefit of enhanced global mobility. Imagine having visa-free access to over 150 countries. That's the reality for many dual citizens. And then there are financial advantages. Here's where it gets really interesting. As a dual citizen, you can often optimize your tax situation legally. You'll have the ability to own property in both countries, often with fewer restrictions than foreign investors face. Plus, you can operate businesses in both jurisdictions, potentially accessing large markets and diverse investment opportunities. And then there's the personal benefits. The benefits go way beyond finances. I've seen countless families leverage dual citizenship for their children's education, gaining access to top universities at domestic student rates in both countries. Healthcare is another crucial factor. Having access to two healthcare systems can be invaluable, especially during retirement. So now let's discuss the pathways to dual citizenship. Now let's get practical. How can you actually obtain dual citizenship? There are several routes available, and I'll help you understand which might work best for your situation. The first option is investment programs. The Golden Visa programs have evolved significantly in 2025. Portugal's program now starts at €350,000 for property investments, while Malta offers citizenship through a combination of investments and donations, totaling about 750,000 euros. Processing times typically range from 6 months to 3 years, with success rates averaging 85% for well-prepared applications. And there are marriage and family routes. Marriage to a citizen of another country typically offers a fast track to citizenship, though requirements vary. For example, in the U.S., you can apply for citizenship after 3 years of marriage to a U.S. citizen, provided you maintain continuous residence. Children born to parents with different nationalities often automatically receive both citizenships at birth, although there is opposition brewing in the U.S. to this policy. Some countries also offer generous family reunification programs, allowing citizenship for extended family members. Dual citizenship isn't about having 2 passports, it's about expanding your opportunities and securing your family's future. And now let me share my top recommendations for 2025. Currently, the most accessible countries for dual citizenship include Portugal. Portugal stands out as one of the most accessible countries for dual citizenship due to its golden visa program and relatively short residency requirements. By investing in real estate or other eligible assets, individuals can gain residency and after just 5 years apply for citizenship without needing to live full-time in Portugal. Portugal allows dual citizenship and offers visa-free access to over 190 countries, making it a top choice for those seeking global mobility. Additionally, its high quality of life, safety, and affordability enhance its appeal for dual citizenship seekers. Next up is Malta. Malta is renowned for its Citizenship by Investment program, one of the fastest pathways to dual citizenship in Europe. By making a significant financial contribution to the Maltese government and investing in real estate, applicants can acquire citizenship in approximately 12 to 36 months. Malta's passport is highly valuable, providing visa-free or visa-on-arrival access to over 180 countries. Furthermore, Malta's strategic location in the Mediterranean, along with its strong economy and English as an official language, makes it an attractive option for global citizens. Next, we have Greece. Greece offers accessible dual citizenship primarily through its Golden Visa program, which requires a real estate investment of 250,000 euros, one of the lowest thresholds in Europe. Applicants gain residency with the possibility of applying for citizenship after 7 years. Greece's rich culture, favorable climate, and position as a gateway to Europe are additional draws. The ability to retain dual citizenship and enjoy visa-free travel across the European Union further cements Greece as a top choice for those seeking a second nationality. And then there are several Caribbean nations. Caribbean nations like St. Kitts and Nevis, Dominica, Grenada, and Antigua and Barbuda. These Caribbean jewels are famous for their streamlined citizenship by investment programs. These countries allow individuals to acquire citizenship in as little as 3 to 6 months through direct financial contributions or real estate investments. Caribbean passports offer visa-free or visa-on-arrival travel to over 140 countries, including the EU and the UK. The tax advantages, tropical lifestyle, and simplicity of the process make Caribbean nations some of the most accessible options for obtaining dual citizenship. And then there's ancestry-based citizenship. We start with Ireland. Ireland is a top choice for ancestry-based dual citizenship, particularly for individuals of Irish descent. Through its foreign births registration, individuals with an Irish-born parent or grandparent can claim Irish citizenship. Ireland's citizenship laws are especially favorable as they extend to subsequent generations in some cases. An Irish passport provides access to the European Union and visa-free travel to over 180 countries. Additionally, Ireland's strong economy, cultural heritage, and connections with its diaspora make it a popular option for those with Irish roots. And then there's Italy. Italy is one of the most generous countries when it comes to citizenship by descent. If you can trace your ancestry back to an Italian ancestor who never renounced their citizenship, you may be eligible for Italian citizenship, regardless of how many generations back the connection goes. This makes it one of the most accessible options for individuals of Italian heritage. Italian citizenship grants access to the EU, allowing freedom of movement, work, and study across member states. The appeal of reconnecting with Italy's rich culture and heritage also makes this an attractive choice. And finally, we have Poland. Poland offers particularly generous programs. Poland offers a pathway to citizenship for those with Polish ancestry through its Restoration of Citizenship program. If you can prove that your ancestors were Polish citizens before leaving the country and did not renounce their citizenship, you may be eligible. Poland's passport is highly valuable, offering visa-free travel within the EU and to many global destinations. The process is appealing for descendants of Polish immigrants, especially given the country's vibrant culture, growing economy, and the chance to reconnect with Eastern European heritage. Here are my final tips for success. Start by thoroughly researching your family history. Gather all required documents early in the process. Consider working with a reputable immigration lawyer. And be patient. The process can take time, but the benefits are worth it. So, there you have it. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with your friends who may be considering relocating abroad. Subscribe for more informative videos on expat life and international living. Now, we would love to hear from you. Have you thought about pursuing dual citizenship? Whether you have or not, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Do you know anyone currently pursuing a dual citizenship? Remember, the world is becoming increasingly interconnected, and dual citizenship might just be your key to unlocking new opportunities. If you like this video, you will love our videos on exposing the American scam, why expats are leaving the U.S. for a better quality of life, and the top 10 countries for happiness and quality of life, culture, work-life balance, safety, and more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.